Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common yet frustrating problem that many of us have faced with our microSD cards. So, imagine this: you pop your microSD card into your computer, only to find that it's not showing up in Finder. Frustrating, right? You switch over to Windows, and lo and behold, the card appears on File Explorer. But when you try to access it, Windows throws a curveball at you, prompting you to format the disk. Clicking Continue, you're hit with the dreaded message: Windows was unable to format this disk. What a headache! So, what's the solution to this pesky problem? In situations like these, where Windows is being a little finicky with your microSD card, there's a nifty solution that can come to your rescue. It involves understanding the boot sector hierarchy of your disk and the concept of superfloppy formatting. Essentially, some flash drives and memory cards skip the traditional MBR and directly place the VBR of the only partition as the first sector, aka superfloppy formatting. Windows can sometimes struggle with this, showing inconsistencies when trying to format the drive to MBR using built-in tools. But fear not, because there's a handy third-party tool called Rufus that can swoop in and save the day. By reformatting the drive as an MBR drive using Rufus, you can overcome Windows quirks and get your microSD card back in action. To wrap it all up, tackling the issue of an unrecognized microSD card isn't always straightforward, especially when Windows decides to throw formatting errors your way. Remember, the next time you encounter this problem, consider the possibility of superfloppy formatting and give Rufus a try to get your card back on track. And with that, folks, I hope this video helped shed some light on a common tech hassle. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your own tech woes. Who knows, we might just have a solution for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.